My name is Adam Erhart, and you're watching Modern Marketing Minute. In this episode, we're talking about breadth versus depth. The clock is ticking. I was thinking about my content strategy the other day and I realized that I was making an absolutely crazy mistake, something that I'd never advise my clients or my students to make, and that was I was allowing the lines to blur between content depth and content breadth. Let me explain. Basically, there's different media and different tools and all sorts of different options available out there depending on whether you're going for brand awareness or lead gen or trying to further and deepen the customer relationship with existing relationships and clients that you already have. Well, the problem that I was making is that some of the tools that I was using for brand awareness were actually better off with lead gen, and some of the tools that I was using for lead gen would often be better used to deepen that customer relationship. And so all it took was a few tiny little tweaks inside the content strategy, and voila, next thing you know, everything was lined up perfectly in order to accomplish the goals. So the key to figuring this out and to make sure that you're using breadth tools for breadth objectives like brand awareness and reach and things like that, and depth tools for depth objectives like furthering that customer relationship or moving prospects along your funnel, are to ask yourselves the three following questions. First, what are your goals and objectives? Second, what are you doing? And third, what should you be doing? And if everything is in alignment, you're pretty much good to go. But if anything's out of alignment, again, take a look at what you're trying to accomplish and make sure you're using the right tool for the right job.